Joey, the gutter rat, low life loser, sneeze. Bro, you are so pathetic. Bro, you are so pathetic. It ain't even funny. I mean, I know now. You would literally say and do anything it takes to kiss people's buttholes. I believe that now because you call everybody else clowns on YouTube, but what are you? You are a bigger clown if everybody else is a clown because, for one, you don't want to keep on saying you done with YouTube and you tired of it because this and that, but you keep on coming back every time, kissing buttholes. That's what you do best, kiss buttholes. I mean, bro, you are so pathetic of a man. Man, you didn't curl that, man. For one, bro, you didn't curl it. You doing a half a one ain't curling. You don't work out. You terrible at that. I mean, you're just you're a low life wannabe pussy boy. That's all you are, bro. You ain't tough. You can't fight. You know you can't rap. It's just call it what it is. You are just a low life loser. Talking about put this go see underground possibly it's cool. Man, you ain't trying to do nothing, man. 10-0. Well, you've been 10-0 for how many months now? It's probably going on a year or some change. So you probably, bro, you ain't fighting. You ain't trying to fight. You can't fight. So I called you out how many times, bro? I called you out a few times so I can whoop that tail. Every time, though. Every time. You pussy out. I don't say nothing. But you go get on here talking about, yeah, make with all the sissy get me mad. Yeah, come see me. Man, bro, you don't want none of us. We will whoop you, man. It won't even be a contest. Bro, you can't fight. You can't dress neither. Who told you that brown shoes with a dingy looking suit, purple suit, looks like you just got it from Goodwill. I'm not saying anything wrong with getting stuff from the Goodwill, but that suit you had on look at some Goodwill. And yeah, your little flowery shirt that looks like you like you just got out of camp. You know, camp for gay people how to dress like gay and want to be gay. That's what you look at with your little get up you had on. Then you wore a red tie with this suit. Who told you, bro? Who told you that was cute? It is terrible. And then your gay looking glasses just tops it off, bro. I'm telling you, bro, you give me too much material, man. I'm about to start paying you. Start paying you for all the material you giving me. I mean, not to mention, your butt spending all that spending all your money on stupid stuff, going and spending $100 a day, $100 a day. No, you're not, bro. Stop lying. And second, bro, I don't know how many times people tell you. How many times we gotta tell you? I mean, and it's getting exhausting now. That we gotta keep telling your butt that you are a terrible, terrible rapper. You're terrible, man. Terrible. You just keep thinking, I'm good. I got some new this kind of. No, you don't, bro. You better not have no new music coming out. Because I swear, it's already bad enough that we're going to see you. Well, I'm going to have to keep singing you now. Singing you and hearing you. Good Lord. Man, bro, you just a headache. Man, you literally think you can fight, but you can't. You're terrible at it. So, I don't know, bro. You just won't get it. You're terrible. You're a crappy fighter. You can't fight. You won't fight. Push kind of stuff. You make up some excuse why you couldn't do it. Like always. But bro, I'm gonna leave it like this. You need to stop. You better stop trying to call people out, bro. Tell them all you want to fight. You don't want to fight, bro. You don't want to throw no hands. You're a sissy boy. You ain't trying to do none of that. You ain't no man. Yeah. You are 30. You are a grown man. Stop trying to act like you're a little boy. You're a kid. You are 30. I never heard of a 30-year-old saying he's a baby. But then you want to talk like you tough. You that tough, but bro, you are literally trying to have people say you're a little kid. You ain't no kid. You ain't no baby. I've never seen a grown man want to be called a baby. And then you say you want to turn into your father. Well, I guess we gotta start worrying about you putting your hands down little boy's underwear, Scooby-Doo underwear. I'm sorry. Oh, see, ain't that right, gutter rat? So you gonna be like your daddy now? You gonna be underwear tickler now too? Wow. I guess that's right. Father like son, son like father. Either way, y'all still sissies and faggots messing around with little boys. Man, boy, oh boy, you just asking for a good whooping, bro. Asking for it, and you gonna get it from me. Trust me, little boy, 30-year-old little boy, sissy, broke. But like I said, I am going to pull up on you, loser. What you gonna do then?